According to sources familiar with the matter, the United States Department of Justice, DOJ, has purportedly enlisted the services of international consultancy firm Forensic Risk Alliance, FRA, to oversee cryptocurrency exchange, Binance's adherence to regulatory standards for the next 3 years. This appointment of a third-party monitor is a pivotal stipulation of Binance's plea agreement reached in November 2023, wherein the exchange admitted guilt to money laundering and other federal charges, culminating in a hefty $4.3 billion fine. In their role, FRA will be granted access to Binance's internal records, premises, and personnel, enabling them to furnish the DOJ with periodic updates regarding the exchange's operational activities, as disclosed in a recent Bloomberg report dated May 10th. Initially, law firm Sullivan Cromwell was slated to secure the monitoring contract. However, this decision was reassessed due to the firm's prior involvement with competitor crypto exchange FTX before its insolvency, prompting the DOJ to opt for FRA instead. Earlier this year, on February 17th, Cointelegraph reported that creditors of FTX had accused Sullivan Cromwell of actively participating in a purported multi-billion-dollar fraud perpetrated by the FTX group. Allegations were made in a court filing as part of a class action lawsuit, asserting that Sullivan Cromwell was privy to FTX US and FTX Trading Limited's alleged fraudulent activities, including misappropriation of funds. Nevertheless, reports suggest that Sullivan Cromwell may still be tapped for a distinct 5-year monitoring assignment related to Binance, representing the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network under the Treasury Department. This development emerges mere weeks following the imprisonment of Binance's former CEO, Changpeng Zhao. On April 30th, Zhao was sentenced to 4 months in prison for purportedly failing to uphold an effective anti-money laundering program at the crypto exchange. Despite initial calls from prosecutors for a 3-year sentence, the judge ultimately opted for a shorter term, citing a lack of direct evidence implicating Zhao in specific illicit activities at Binance.